Mr. Tyler is very excited today. Where is she? What's taking so long?
Huh?
I have to do something, or I'll go crazy. Hey, that's an idea. Help! Doctor, help!
Huh?
Calm down, Mr. Sue. Take a deep breath. Doctor, I think the contractions have started. Congratulations on the birth of your baby girl.
Thank you,
What?
Doctor.
Huh?
What's going on here? Your baby is perfectly healthy. Oops.
Oops.
Honey,
Hey!
is that our girl? Can I see her?
Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
An ultra-rich baby has been born. Mom and Dad have never been happier. From her earliest years, little Michelle lives a very rich life. However, playing gold cards is getting boring. How about a lavish breakfast for Barbie? Oh, I have a better idea. Looks like she's up to something.
Huh?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Don't say another word. You'll make a great Barbie. Who says being a personal security guard is easy? But the poor guy obviously wasn't ready for that. Perfect! Now, repeat after me. Now, we'll teach you how to walk gracefully. Come on, don't be shy.
Yeah, I guess I have no choice.
Okay.
Keep up, Ryan, and keep your posture like that.
I wonder how our little girl is doing.
Huh?
Ouch! What's going on here?
I'm done for the day.
Mommy! Daddy! Ryan and I were playing princesses.
Come on, baby, let's play Gold Bullion Jenga.
Kids grow up so fast. Michelle has turned 10 years old.
You've grown up. Or have you?
So that's what's up. I see.
Mommy and I got you a present.
You'll never guess what's inside. Wow, I hope it's Kissy Missy. Come on, baby, watch closely.
You're gonna love it, I'm telling you.
Wow, I wonder what it is. Ah, car keys. Surprise! Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll add them to my collection with my other cars. It's a shame that the ultra-rich parents don't understand Michelle at all. After all, she's just a child and doesn't even have a driver's license. Honey, I had a genius idea.
What are you talking about, honey?
Huh?
We'll give Michelle her personal beauty parlor.
Well, do you like it?
Yes!
Oh, yes, it's wonderful.
And look at that design. Oh,
No!
what are you up to? Daughter, there's a better model for your experiments. You can do anything you want with their hair.
That's right.
Wow!
Go for it, Michelle. Mommy and Daddy believe in you. Time for school. Michelle loves talking to her friends in class. Can you believe it? That's what he told me. Quiet in the classroom. I have important news for you. Today we're writing a test. It's great, isn't it?
Aww.
I don't hear you cheering. Michelle, take your assignment. I wasn't prepared for this. Tell me about it. You can start now. While the other students agonize over the answers, Michelle calls high tech for help. I hope I have some time to copy everything before the teacher sees it. But it didn't work. Michelle, give me the phone now. Okay, Mr. Simmons. That's better. I'm watching you. The ultra-rich student always has a digital plan B. Yes, I'd like to order a telescope. Oh, Michelle, are you at it again? Give it back. Well, whatever. It's so nice to have a smartwatch with me always. Okay, guys, let's do this. Michelle, you know what to do. I've had enough. Here, Mr. Simmons, this is for you. Now I'm going to be the teacher. Well, that's an interesting offer. I guess it's time for me to get some rest.
Bye.
Attention, class! The test is canceled. We're taking a break. Oh, Michelle, you're just a genius. I know, girls. I know. It's teenage rebellion time. Mom, Dad, I'm home. Hi, honey. How was your day? Great. Dad, can we go to the movies?
Here you go, baby. I hope that's enough for you.
Mom, can we go shopping? Hi, honey. Mommy's busy. Here, this is for you. These silly diamonds again? I hate it. I've had enough. I'm sick of this. Goodbye. Honey, where are you going?
Calm down. Just calm down. You'll see. She'll come home soon.
My parents don't care about me at all. All they care about is money. Ew, that's disgusting.
Hey, beautiful. I'll take my stuff.
Of course, sir.
That's it. Just a second. Almost there. Let me keep you company.
All right. Whatever you say.
You must be hungry. You want an apple? Wow,
Huh?
what a watch. It's worth a lot of money.
You know what? Here, you can have it. I don't mind.
Okay.
That's lucky. Hey, is that bracelet made of gold?
Yes, sir. Take that, too.
I'm deeply grateful.
Oh, no. Why is it happening to me? Mommy, Daddy.
Oh, what
wow.
a beautiful day.
I won't do it again.
Yeah.
Sweetie, we are so glad to see you.
Come on, baby, tell us what happened.
It's so nice to be home.
Congratulations to our high school graduates.
Michelle is finally graduating, and she's the richest student in the school.
Thanks so much, Principal Rogers.
What have you got for me?
An award for outstanding studies. A certificate made of solid gold. Also, a crown for the title of Miss Troom College 2022. But that's not all. Take this lion! And from my personal collection.
What? Why do I have a normal diploma?
Why am I not surprised?
I'm so honored. Hey, where are you going?
My daughter, we're so proud of you. Ahem, Mr. Tyler, aren't you forgetting something? Just like we talked about. There you go. Pleasure doing business with you.
Daddy, please control yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, of course. Dennis, give a kiss to the graduate. Hi there.
Holy Swarovski, are you seeing this too?
Looks like little Michelle hid her boyfriend from her parents.
I'm asking for your daughter's hand. What kind of poverty is this? Michelle, I demand an explanation.
I know, right? Hurry up and put the ring on. And so, Michelle and Dennis got married.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss. No, don't do that, daughter.
Mom, Dad, I'm so happy.
Oh, yeah.
Step aside, son. Dennis, my boy, what a joy.
Yes.
The poor Dennis's parents are here for the celebration too. Let's get to know each other. We're family now.
I'm Derek, the groom's father. That's how we say hello where I come from.
Come on, Mommy. It's just a nice custom. It seems that these different parents can barely find common ground.
Now, we'll all go on a family camping trip together.
Mwah! Let's take a picture together. Say cheese! The ultra-rich newlyweds are enjoying a quiet family life. Hey! Or are they? What is taking you so long? I can fall asleep waiting for you to bring the tea. Yes, looks like someone's in a bad mood.
Huh, I love this episode. I could rewatch it 1,000 times.
Ugh, are you kidding me? The tea got completely cold.
But that's my cup.
That's better. What? Are you saying you're tired of me? Here, take this. I don't want to see you anymore.
What's wrong with you, Michelle? Everything was fine.
Fine. I'll show you fine now. Catch this. Well, do you like it?
I think it's time for you to see a psychiatrist.
Do you think I'm crazy? That's it. You asked for it. Oh, how awful! I can't believe we're fighting.
Calm down, honey. It's okay.
Wait a minute. Are those hormones acting up? I'll be back in 5 minutes.
What?
Is this a joke?
I knew it. 2 lines, honey. We're going to be parents.
Yeah.
Are you sure about this? But that's amazing news. Yes! Hey, Jason, catch the ball. Boom! Look what I can do. Yo,
Wow.
that's awesome. Pass it to me. Pass it to me.
So annoying. Hey, you punks, get out of here.
Did you hear something?
Huh?
Nope. Pass it to me. Give me the 3-pointer.
I warned you. Take that, kids.
Look out! Precipitation in the form of gold bars. Awesome, bro. We're rich. That's a fortune. Wait, what is that?
Looks like the ultra-rich grandma lost something.
Ha! The mean granny's golden jaw. Let's get out of here, bro. I don't want to play anymore.
Oh, those young people. It wasn't like that in our time, huh? Old Michelle has a lot to worry about. Come here, my baby.
Huh?
Oh, it's you. Hello, Grandma. How are you feeling? Maybe a glass of water? The relatives are waiting for Michelle's will, but this old lady isn't so easy. Who will get all her ultra wealth? Let me think about it. Oh, I know.
Grandma, I'll give you a foot massage. How's that? Are you feeling any better?
Oh, go on, grandson. Well, well. Is she writing my name? Don't even get your hopes up. I give all my wealth.
That's a little hot in here, don't you think?
To the one I love the most. Little Bobo. Who is this Bobo?
No.
Wait a minute. Of course.
Oh.
The pet is now super rich. That was a nice prank. Oh, I see the light.
Oh no!
Oh no, not that. Get the dog. Get him. Old Michelle seems to have a great sense of humor. Oh well, what an interesting life my great-grandmother had.